We have a Mazda MX5, got a 2-year lease, but it's been extended 6 months. It's done about 22,000 miles, which is on our system anyway. Right, okay, so bonnet and grille are okay, and we've had a good look underneath the bumpers, and they're fine as well. Got a little scrape on the front wheel round here, and there's a chip on the glass, but it has been repaired, and it's below the 10mm size, so that's good. Got a tiny little dent on the front here above the headlight, but it is tiny. When I say tiny, it's about 3mm, I think, but it's there, so we're just making a note of that. The front wheel this side's got a little scratch there. We've put a bit of tape there. It is a little bit bigger than the sizes, but it is only a little scrape. Tyres are factory tyres, still 20 or 22,000 miles, got plenty of tread. We haven't lifted the car in the air though, so we don't know what they're like from underneath, but they look pretty good. Needs a bit of a vac and a carpet cleaning there, a little bit of a dust through the centre console, but otherwise there's no dents or damage. The door apertures are all fine, so that's all good. Near side rear wing, got a little tiny stone chip there, but it's no rust on it, and it is just a tiny trim. You've got the roof is fine, no dents, and then all the way around the back is fine. Locking wheel nut is now in the glove box, but you've got the little toolkit, it doesn't have a spare. Back lights are okay, no dents in the tailgate. I'll leave that back up. And then if I come around this side, the rear wheel's fine. Little bit of a touching required on the edge of the door. There's no rust on there, but it is a little bit chipped there. Nothing serious. Look inside the driver's side, it all smells all right in there, but it could do with a bit of clean on the carpets. Probably, maybe could have had a set of mats in it. Would have been ideal when it started, but anyway, it's all right. Okay, so all good on this side. And service history's been done. Lady's got the stamps, and we've taken photographs of that. So other than that, the car looks pretty good to me. I think it's been well looked after. It had a previous repair at the back, and the repair was a very, very good repair. As far as we can see, it looks fantastic. So all good. So Mazda's been back, a couple of bits to be done. Oh, lady left it with us actually, but she's back to collect it. So edge of the door's been done now, so the scratchy bit looks $1 million now. Did a little cosmetic repair, so I'll take that sticker off. And the carpet's clean, she's done that herself with the vacuum cleaner. So other than putting the spare key in, we're good to go. She's had the stone chip done, she's got proof of service history, so hopefully we'll keep our fingers crossed that she'll hopefully let us know, and you know, hopefully it passes.